Our Deirdre Bosa breaks that down for today's Tech Check. Morning, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So as Microsoft does get one step closer to completing that deal, I wanted to step back and take a look at what this really means for the regulatory landscape and M&A activity going forward. Now, you can track sentiment, that's skepticism and optimism around this deal by simply looking at Activision Blizzard's stock price. In January 2022, the beginning of that chart, Microsoft announced its intent to buy the company for $95 a share. The stock did pop, but it didn't even hit $87, so falling short of that mark. For the next year, it would bump along around those levels, never really breaking $90 a share. And that really underpinned the skepticism that the deal would actually get through regulators. It wasn't until July of this year, as Microsoft won a key ruling in the FTC's attempt to stop the deal, that it broke that level. And today, with the UK regulators signaling approval, it is finally within $1 or so of that $95 deal price. With that final approval, Microsoft-Activision, this is the bigger picture here, it will become an example of how a company can successfully ride out the stricter regulatory scrutiny of the Biden administration. It's also another blow to the antitrust bulldogs that he put in charge a few years ago. The most prominent, of course, is Lina Khan at the FTC and Jonathan Cantor at the DOJ, who have promised to bring bold action against the biggest tech companies and update antitrust laws for a modern internet era. Instead, a string of blows that may be leaving corporate America feeling emboldened and could lead to even more M&A activity. Big tech deals that are still pending. You can see them here. They include Broadcom and VMware, Adobe and Figma, Cisco and Splunk, which was just announced yesterday. It was interesting, the reaction on Wall Street to this deal, too. A year ago, Wall Street might have pointed out the regulatory risk. Yesterday, though, one analyst summed it up simply: tidal wave of software M&A on the horizon. That's what he wrote. So all of this hasn't really stopped the FTC and DOJ, though, from bringing some really major landmark cases against the biggest of the biggest, the mega cap tech like Amazon and Google parent Alphabet. But as I often like to point out, guys, just look at their stocks to see that investors do not perceive them as real threats. And if the market sees them as weak cops, which, several people I talk to are starting to see them that way, we could indeed see more deals on the horizon, because there has been this regulatory overhang over the last few years. But that's sort of coming out, is what I'm hearing from investors that I talk to.
I guess the question, Dee, is how many people want to deal with cops in the first place? Because obviously, as we've seen with Microsoft-Activision, it takes so much time, so much distraction, so much in the way of legal fees and other fees just to make sure this deal goes through. A lot of CEOs will say, I see that this worked for them, but I really don't want to go through the headache.
Well, I think that the stakes are only rising, right? We're in this era of generative AI where big tech are trying to hold on to their lead. And to do so, yes, they're developing technology internally, but they also want to do deals. You go back to Microsoft and OpenAI. That wasn't an acquisition. That was a very creative partnership that essentially gave them all the benefit of OpenAI and ChatGPT, but didn't have to touch regulators. So they're finding ways around it. And in terms of that appetite to take it on, I mean, Microsoft showed that it is very much willing to with Activision Blizzard. And these are such well-capitalized companies. If they think they can win, they may not hesitate. And maybe that's what Activision Blizzard and Microsoft have done, have shown that if you push back, you can actually win concessions. Of course, we're dealing with a whole different story when you think about the DOJ and Alphabet and the FTC and Amazon. But again, I point to the stock prices. It could be complacency on the part of investors, but there is sort of this thinking that it's not really going to go anywhere. And certainly over the last decade, that has proven to be true.